In this video, I will show you how to fix ChatGPT if it's not working. First, clear your browser's cache by clicking the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Going to Settings, then click on Privacy and Security. Now click on Delete Browsing Data, selecting Cookies and Other Site Data, setting the time range to All Time, and clicking Delete Data. Once that's done, click the three dots again, go to Extensions, Manage Extensions, and temporarily disable all your browser extensions, as some extensions can interfere with ChatGPT. Then, try opening ChatGPT again to see if the issue has been resolved. If it's still not working, open a new incognito window from the three-dot menu, visit the ChatGPT website, sign back into your account if needed, and check if it works there. If none of these steps solve the problem, disconnect from any VPN you're using, as VPNs can sometimes cause connection or compatibility issues with ChatGPT. After disabling the VPN, try using ChatGPT again, and the issue should now be resolved. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.